Can it be fixed in the Philippines?
You guys will notice right now our audio sucks and we're not wearing our mics. That's because the mics don't seem to be working very well for us at the moment.
Seems like the day we got them, they've been glitching. Whenever we plug them in to the camera or try to Bluetooth them, they'll just be like, here's like an example clip. Doesn't that sound terrible?
Yeah, it seems like our range is really, really bad with them too. It's supposed to be able to reach like 100 meters and ours can't go 5. So we contacted DJI support and we went through the whole thing and they told us to come here to Makati to the DJI service center.
That's a long way for us. We had to take the super crowded MRT and finally we made it to this extremely loud area of Makati.
And we're hoping good things will happen here at the service center. It's got decent reviews, so I have high hopes.
We're hoping they give us a new one.
Yeah, because ours is defective.
Let's go.
Hey guys, what's going on?
How was that time?
Hey guys.
Yeah, we just went in and they basically said they don't have the parts to fix it right now and that we have to come back. That we either have to leave it there until they get the parts and then they fix it, or they'll contact us and we can come back later when they have the parts to possibly fix it.
They said that it was like too new to where they don't have the parts yet, which is very interesting that like a new thing gets released and it has its slew of issues and then you can't replace it or whatever. And yeah, I don't know. Interesting situation, but it's okay for us at the moment. We're in this situation where we want to buy the new DJI camera and hook it up through Bluetooth, but we don't know for sure if that'll just work or if we actually want to go forward with the DJI one because we want these to be fixed first.
So now this video, we have to decide whether we go to the mall, buy the new DJI camera, test it, because we'll probably buy it either way if we fix our mics. But yeah, it's kind of, is that just like the state of, is that the postmodern capitalism where they release things and they're not ready when they release it just so they can make the money, like video games where they release it and it's broken?
It's like a dang Call of Duty game and it's like you get a fourth of the game, then you got to buy the DLC and then there's tons of bugs right away.
That's the situation we're in. It's December, so we're planning on making a ton of vlogs, and we've noticed that when we talk in these mics, they echo into each other when we do it this way.
Hey guys, how's it going?
So if we line it up well, it just kind of has like this weird like double sound to it. When we don't line it up, it has a weird echo. And it is an absolute pain in the caboose to cut one of our audio back and forth as we speak.
And then the other issues we've been having is with the receiver. The only way we can actually use the receiver is with our other camera. It doesn't even work with this camera. Or with the phone. And when we use that, it seems like the receiver's the thing that's broken.
So that's our situation. Always problems for us. We're gonna let's just go head to the mall and see if we can buy a DJI 6.
Maybe by the end of this video, we'll have better audio.
Will we?
I don't know. Let's go for it now.
All right, so we're about to get into Greenbelt here. We've been walking really far. You know where we started? Yeah, we walked all the way to Greenbelt from there.
Yeah, it's quite the journey, a long journey.
It was an adventure, to say the least, but coming into Greenbelt, there's definitely going to be a DJI store in here somewhere, and then we can try out this new camera.
I can just walk up to the guards and be like,
where do we get this?
Upside down.
Where do we get this? Where is DJI? Easy enough. Greenbelt is always an interesting one to adventure into because it's kind of confusing to get around because it's so big and so many are connected together.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And we're going to see if we can find a DJI store. Maybe in that Ayala one. Remember they had all those electronic stores?
Yeah, they had to have had something.
Look at that. It's all lit up Christmas lights.
Oh.
That's cool. This is really one of the daily life in the Philippines types of videos. We went to a service center and now we're going to the mall.
Can it be fixed and can it be found?
It's like a double whammy video right there. Oh, well.
Oh yeah, I forgot we actually have the mics. This clip sounds good.
Do we look fancier now? Does it look better? Does it look crisper? Does it look, do we look crispy, extra crispy fry?
What do you think? We just bought the thing now.
We can do this now.
Hey, how's it going? POV, you're 8 feet tall.
Hey.
We're sitting down.
Let's go take this on a walk through the mall.
And we'll see how it goes.
Wow. Wow, isn't this place cool? What is this over here? Fantasy World? We have to
we're
talk
really
a lot
just
so
testing
we
out
can
these
test
mics
this
for-
mic. Does it sound good? We were having problems with these mics before when they weren't on Bluetooth when we looked
According
away.
to this, they're just peaking the nuts right now.
Really?
Even when we don't talk.
Oh, it's really sensitive now? We have to like change the...
I'm gonna try.
All right, I'm walking away. Let's see if I go behind this pole, if it cuts out. Hey everybody, we're testing our new camera. Let's see what happens when I do this. Hello! Over here now. Did it work?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention, but I think it might have cut out.
So wait, we
Wait.
can't go, we don't usually go behind things unless we're doing a scarce intro.
Yeah.
Hold on. Scarce here. How's it going?
It literally cut out as soon as you went around the corner.
Oh, okay. So Bluetooth through giant poles, no good.
That's something we'll have to keep in mind. We'll definitely forget.
It looks nice.
It does. It looks so nice in this like reflective cam. Why?
It looks really crisp.
This is a fun video, guys. You get to test this camera with us. We're gonna keep changing settings and see what looks good.
Now I'm gonna bunny hop over here. Hey. Whoa, what's that?
Oh, after a minute, it switches into this.
Oh my
you
gosh.
look way different.
I'm sick. Does it look any different in night mode?
It kind of seems like it's choppier, like going back and forth.
As long as you, it looks pretty bright. Where's a darker area? So let's go out here. Let's see what the transition is into dark.
This is us testing our camera in the One Ayala. Whoa.
Did you guys know we were in Makati?
Makati.
Wow, Christmas in Makati. Is that the same Christmas tree? There wasn't like every...
It looks like
What?
it, kind of.
It's a little darker out here. Let's
Yeah.
see. It's actually not that much darker, but
No, the background just looks darker.
how's it look? Hey.
Still looking good. I don't know if it's just choppy in the preview or if it'll be like choppy when we watch it, but it's definitely choppier.
Yeah, I wonder if maybe it's trying to process harder. Oh wow, look at all that traffic, and it's 8 o'clock.
Holy.
Heck yeah.
Well, that's the low light mode. Very fancy.
The real test. Oh no! The real test.
This thing's like extremely tall.
I'm just holding it by the stick.
It's flinging around. It's scary.
Yeah, what's up, buddy? Oh, what's up, buddy? Oh my gosh, that's actually crazy long now.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we're back on the night mode still, but we were just testing the height.
How did my hands get so sweaty as soon as we walked outside?
Yeah, literally. It's pretty clamster.
It's actually like I have to hold my hands straight out, but it's really full.
Yeah, you can see like a good chunk of our body, our whole shirts.
You just hold it. I could probably hold it just like right here, like this.
Hey guys, how's it
Hey.
going?
It's weird that you don't flip it anymore.
Yeah.
Swipe to unlock. Okay. What's up, dudes?
What's up, dudes?
We're about to get on the MRT and leave Makati.
Yeah. Pretty cool time in Makati.
Yeah, pretty epic.
At least we're satisfied with our DJI.
Yeah.
So far, we'll see. Hopefully the footage actually turned out well. Let us know what you guys think.
If you just go back to the beginning of this video, compare it to what it looks like now, which one do you like better?
It is a bit darker right now, so there's that comparison. It's probably before.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Wait. I'll go around the pole. Goodbye,
See you later.
guys. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
Hey guys, Scare's here.
Hey. Scare's
I didn't
here.
notice the line cut out at all, but
Scare's here. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
goodbye. We're gonna do that way too much.